So there's some copyrighted music up above, so shit. So the cheapest camcorder, the 4K one from Panasonic, is 3,800. Ah, they're just opening shop. Do they have camcorders here? Ah, they have the 4K camcorder there. You can see that one there from Sony. How much is that? Oh. Hiya. Can I see the 4K camcorder?
Yeah, sure.
So the other shop is the person who is not comfortable with recording and stuff. Is there a toilet here? I need to take a piss. Stock clearance. The manufacturer's warranty. Is that the only model that you have?
For Sony 4K, yes.
You have other brands as well?
Other brands, you're looking for 4K?
4K. It's okay if you don't have, just start with this one here. What's this? What's the model number?
This one.
FDR-AX40.
Yeah.
How much is this?
Let me ask the price for you. 250.
4,250.
Yes.
What year is this? They came out? You know?
I think it's last year.
Last year,
yes.
2015.
Yeah.
Oh. Does it have a? Oh, is there a manual focus?
Manual
ring?
focus ring?
No.
They're supposed to have wait. Usually this kind of high camera they have.
I thought it's supposed to be at the front. The focus the thing. The stabilization is very good on this thing.
Yes, 5 axis.
5 axis. How about this camcorder here? The small one.
JVC.
Ah,
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay.
Usually for traditional will be 2 axis. 2
Okay.
axis as in up and down.
Up and down. Oh, okay.
It doesn't compensate left and right and here.
Oh, this one
usually
has.
5 axis is like up and down, left and right and diagonally.
Oh, not this one. This one
This
not
one
3.
perhaps. Huh?
Not 3. 3 axis.
If
Left
it's
and
three.
right and up and down.
Left and right, up and down. I'm not sure.
Not sure.
For
Okay.
this model, I'm not sure. I'm sorry. Shipping mode.
4,003.
Yes. I think the reason why it's expensive because many of the 4K capability.
Oh, okay, cool. How long does it last? The battery?
Battery continuously shot for 4K video, perhaps it's only 1 hour and a half.
1 hour.
If it's 4K.
4K.
If it's Full HD, you could last up to 3 hours actually.
Oh,
3
long.
hours and longer.
Oh, it takes up more energy lah.
When we use
4K. Oh, okay. So thanks a lot.
Yeah, sure.
4,000.
Are you recording
Yeah.
our conversation? What is it for?
YouTube. I'm doing a walkthrough of this.
Oh, you
Lao
have
Yat.
your own YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
may I
what's-
know what is it about?
It's about malls,
Malls.
Gundams too, food, Malaysia.
Oh, not only camera, you talk food. Can I look forward to?
Sure. What's your name?
Aiman.
Sorry?
Aiman.
Aiman.
Yes. Can
So-
I have you-
Let's see.
I'm just curious, sorry.
No problem. This one replace the 4 with a 2.
Sure.
Okay, not 4, 2. Let's write it down. So you know how to use YouTube lah.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Aiman.
Sure.
See you. Bye bye. Oh yeah, I want to ask you something. You know, back then there's a race riot in Lao Yat Plaza.
Sorry?
Was a scuffle between the Malays and the Chinese? Or
Yes.
Yes.
But it was 2 years.
What?
No, sorry, not 2 years.
Last year,
Last year.
2015, right?
Year end, is it?
Okay. So are the Malays going to make their own Lao Yat Plaza?
They already did.
Oh, they.
Laoyan too.
Where's that?
I don't know.
Oh, don't know. Okay.
Somewhere around here, I guess.
But still, there are a lot of Malays who come around.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But I'm not really sure what is the necessary of making.
Yeah, it's stupid lah. It's bullshit lah. It's the
whole new building.
politicians are stupid.
But there is demand. Politicians only do based on what citizens wants. They don't make decision themselves.
Oh, okay.
That's what I think.
Okay, thanks,
Alright.
Aiman. So what else is there? What else is there? A lot of music in the air, unfortunately. I need to take a piss too. Lenovo. This is the ground floor, of course, you will know that. Maxis, Gold, prosumer or something like that. And of course the small little kiosk in the middle. Huawei, some pretty girls. Definitely. So let's go into the middle and take a look what they have. They're selling Huawei. I want to take a piss. So that's how you go up the floors using the escalator, and they're all in one specific area, and the music is playing in the background. I'm fucked. I think it's Rihanna. Shit. There are many ways to come into this place. Others will do some sniping because there are girls in red, very pretty. I'm not going to talk to them unfortunately. So this is the main entrance to the place. Let's go cover it before we go upstairs. Idle Victory. As I said earlier, the big trees are here. So this is the front view of Lauya Plaza. And there's a KL Tower in the background behind the coconut tree. It's beginning to be a bit warm. There's other places like Imbi Plaza and whatnot. I think Imbi Plaza is about that way. And the wind is blowing and it seems like it's snowing, but those are leaves. So I want to take a piss. I want a toilet. Ada tandas kah? Tandas. Oh, okay. Jauh ah. Thank you. Toilet where?